this has everything you need if you're going out filming with your Insta360 One X2. This protective case from Insta360, hard protective case, is brilliant. It's got like a little handle on here, nice zip so you can access things inside straight away, and inside, like I said, contains everything you need to record top quality 360-degree footage with your Insta360 One X2. So as we open it up, this is my vlogging setup. I've done my vlogging setup video recently for the Insta360 One X2, but this is what I carried with me. Just simply went out with this, and like I said, everything's in here. So we open it up, and this case is really nice because it's got one side on here which holds the camera, which fits it perfectly. It's got a little cutout so it fits in there, and it doesn't drop out, it doesn't shake around either. It actually fits in there quite snugly, so you have to press it down and then it's sort of not falling out. So that's a really good feature. Then on the bottom, I've got my Rode Go 2 wireless microphone system, and that connected with this makes a perfect vlogging combination. It's so good, and you get that really interesting 360 look with the invisible selfie stick. It just feels like somebody else is filming you. It's brilliant. I love it. Okay, we've got some goats. Wow.
I thought it was a dog.
I thought it was a dog as well. They're wild goats. Can you see the goats? Wow. They're sheep, aren't they?
Yeah, they're sheep.
I thought they were goats.
That's cool, that is. Do they just roam?
Yeah, they must do.
Oh my god.
There's loads of them. Oh wow.
Oh my god. There's loads.
They're unusual black sheep, aren't they?
Yeah, they're like...
There's one there as well. Wow. That's mad.
There's some over there as well.
That's really cool, isn't it? We'll go this way, we won't disturb them.
Yeah, that's good.
Some unusual black sheep with horns, that's really cool. Just roaming on this estate. Okay, so that's it. Let's carry on walking. So that's that side. On the other side, there's a few other accessories you need to get that particular look, and it's all in this box. We've got the microphone adapter, the vertical version for the Insta360 One X2. We've got the included TRS cable which comes in there, and this is a specific cable that actually works with this adapter. It clips in the top like that, and then that goes into the camera. Really handy, and it works well, and more importantly, it stays invisible when you're using the camera, and that's the really important one. We've got the receiver for the Go Wireless 2. Then in here we've got this, the PT20, which is the cold shoe you need to make everything invisible as well. This is in this box as well. I'll link everything you need in the description down below. And then my favourite selfie stick, because it's so small and compact and it goes anywhere, and it actually fits in this little box here. It's in here. It's the small selfie stick, the 70cm version, and that is the one that I carry with me. 1/4 inch on the bottom if you want to add a little tripod, and of course that attaches right to the camera. So all in all, you get this kind of setup. So here we go. All this in that little box, and that would fit in your backpack or your camera bag, whatever you're carrying around, or you could just simply carry it around with this handle. Really handy. Not much bigger than, say, a mouse, about double the size of a computer mouse. Really small, really compact, going to protect everything inside. Seems that you stuck around to the end of the video. Let me give you a pro tip whilst using this particular setup, because it's really important that everything is parallel. Now what I do is use the actual Insta360 app to actually go into the live preview and double check that you can't see the microphone, the adapter or the wire in the shot, that everything is invisible. So I'll stretch it out a little bit like that. We go into the preview of the camera, it's all connected up, and then if you look around on the preview, you'll be able to see if your camera is invisible, if there's any sort of microphone or wire. No, I can't see anything in the shot at all. We'll move around a little bit so you can see it. Got my shorts on today. It's absolutely boiling here in the UK for a change. So as you can see, we can't see any microphone or anything in the picture, and that is absolutely perfect. That's what we want. We don't want anything showing up when we're recording 360 footage, so that's how I double check before I start recording, so I don't record a bunch of footage, get back to the studio and I can actually see the corner of the microphone because something's not just dead level. So bit of a pro tip for you, because you stuck around to the end of the video. If you're still here, please make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We've got lots of Insta360 videos coming very soon, and other tech videos pretty much every single day. So make sure you subscribe, stick around, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Give this video a like, that really does help. Honestly, it makes a difference. But until next time though, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.